welcome back everybody. Daryl Lane here with the Vagrant Trader Collective. And today I really want to dive into the topic of the pursuit of consistency. You see, instant success is constantly glorified, right? And this pushes many traders to rush in towards profitability without laying a solid foundation. Trading is a skill that requires purpose, drive, and above all, I'm telling you, consistency. So what's the pressure? There's an intense amount of pressure to achieve success, right? And we want to do it right away because life moves so fast. So we're seeking these quick profits, especially in the earliest stage of the journey of becoming a trader. But it's more important in the earliest stage to shoot for consistency. And that's the cornerstone of anything that's going to happen for you in your life, but also in trading specifically. Instead of focusing solely on like profits, right? New people should prioritize consistency in the beginning of their approach. Setting realistic goals and 100% staying disciplined towards those goals. So by aiming for consistency first versus profitability, now you're seeking to refine and hone your skill set so that you can predict a measured result over and over and over. Once you've been able to do that, let's say 6 months of quality results, you've produced consistency, then it's perfectly fine and natural to be in a position where you could say, you know what, okay, now I'm ready to start shooting towards profit, okay? The aim towards profit should be a natural result towards the consistency that you've been able to accomplish. By being patient, by focusing on refining your current skill set until you get to that level of consistency we're discussing, now is where you're in a position to say, okay, I've been doing this for a certain period of time. I've been seeing the same or similar result every time. Every time I place trades. Out of these 10 trades, I always win 7, I always lose 3. Whatever it is, now you're in a position to say, okay, I understand a consistent result. So by doing that, it's time to build into what you want to have as your actual structure for your risk. So your long-term success is 100% dedicated and predicated upon your ability to build consistency as your foundation first. So I want you to understand that on this journey, it's not about instant profit, right? It's about consistency because you want to be a long-term trader. You want to do this thing lifetime. You don't want to do this for a short period of time. So if you found this video valuable and insightful, please like, subscribe, follow us. You can also reach us at Vagrant Trading Academy on Instagram or at Vagrant Trader Insights on Instagram. And here's to a good day and living the life that you want, honestly.